Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on Delete button right next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted from Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!